Let's dive into our solar system's oddball, Venus, a planet where the idea of a day gets totally weird.
I mean, what if the sun rose in the west? Sounds bizarre, right? Well, on Venus, that's just normal.
And no, this isn't science fiction. It's what really happens on our planetary next-door neighbor.
So why the backwards sunrise? It's all because of its super unique and kinda strange spin.
Most planets spin one way, but Venus, it's the rebel of the solar system, spinning completely backward.
It spins clockwise, the total opposite of Earth. That's why the sun rises in the west there. And get this, its spin isn't just backward, it's also unbelievably slow.
How slow? There are 117 Earth days between each sunrise. A single day is longer than his year.
Just imagine almost 2 solid months of daylight, followed by 2 months of pitch-black darkness.
So, how on Earth did Venus get so completely twisted? Well, scientists have a couple of leading theories.
Theory number one sounds like something out of a disaster movie. We're talking a massive cosmic collision.
Essentially, a huge object might have smashed into a young Venus, literally knocking it into a backward spin.
But what if it wasn't a giant impact? Theory 2 blames Venus's own ridiculously thick atmosphere.
Think of it like a heavy blanket. Over billions of years, it dragged the planet to a stop and then reversed it.
So, this backward spin and dense atmosphere, they've combined to create an absolute hellscape down there. We're talking an average surface temperature of 464 degrees Celsius. Yeah, that's hot enough to melt lead.
And you might think that long night would cool things down, but nope, it stays that hot 24/7.
It's all because of a runaway greenhouse effect. Its thick CO2 atmosphere is a perfect heat trap.
That super dense air basically turns the whole planet into a convection oven, spreading the heat everywhere.
So, which is it? Was Venus knocked over in a cosmic brawl, or just slowly dragged backward?
So why does this matter? It shows just how chaotic planets can be, and how alien a neighbor can be. And it really makes you wonder, what other wild secrets are hiding right here in our own solar system?